So I took the Bodhisattva vows with His Holiness because it seems to me it's the most logical thing to do. That is, there's so much suffering in the world, and I've seen it now. I feel it in my heart, and I want to be able to develop the capacity to help others suffering. And from my understanding of the Buddha Dharma, in the end, the only way to relieve others' suffering is to become enlightened like the Buddha. So the vow that I took, which will last me for lifetimes and lifetimes, is to practice and develop the wisdom so that I could realize enlightenment and then really help all suffering.